Today, we're going to learn how to use an apostrophe. You probably know that it shows possession, like when somebody has something. Like Chloe's cell phone. Or Bertie's bicycle. But it's not always that straightforward, and it's easy to get it wrong, especially when there are plurals involved. Let's say I want to say, the boys' books are in the classroom. Are you supposed to write it this way? Or is this the right way, with the apostrophe after the S? It's easier than you think. Before you can be sure how to write it, you have to know what you're talking about. Is there only one boy with lots of books? Or are there several boys who have or possess the books? Well, let's say there's only one boy. Imagine putting brackets around the word boy. You'd put the apostrophe after the brackets, so after the word boy, and then add an S. Just like this. What if there's more than one boy? That's what many people find confusing. Well, you'd still put imaginary brackets around the word boys. Once again, put the apostrophe after the bracket, but you don't need to add an S because there is one already. Just like this. To review, bracket the word, put an apostrophe afterwards, and add an S, unless the bracketed word already ends in S. It seems like nearly everyone gets this wrong. When does its have an apostrophe? It's easier than you think. When you write a possessive pronoun like his or hers or my, you never need an apostrophe, right? The same is true for its. When you want to show possession, like the cat plays with its yarn, you don't use an apostrophe in that case either. Here's where most people get confused. So pay attention to this rule and remember it. You only write its with an apostrophe when you're writing a contraction for it is. Never, ever when it means that something belongs to it. Time to review. Take a look at this sentence. There are 3 babies. Please pick up the 3 babies' toys. Is that written correctly? No. Now this is the way to write it. Imaginary brackets around the word babies, and then an apostrophe. You don't need to add an S because there's already an S at the end of babies. And which one of these sentences is written correctly? The first one with IT apostrophe S, or the second one with ITS, no apostrophe? Do you remember the rule? You're right, no apostrophe needed, since we don't want to say this video did his job. Thanks for watching. Wendy Segal Tutoring presents Apostrophes. Hope to see you again soon. And don't forget to like and share this video. Class dismissed.